Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 11th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) has created a record by constructing 25.54 kilometer long 4-lane between Vijaypur to Solapur at NH 52 at a record of 18 hours. Who is the chairman of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India? And you should tell the headquarter also. Where is the headquarter? Manpreet Vora is India's next High Commissioner to which country? What is the capital of Uganda? Where is the headquarter of United Nations General Assembly? Who is India's High Commissioner to Morocco? Who has been awarded the 2021 Nuremberg International Human Rights Award? Which state has launched India's first engineering research and development policy? Which city has topped the Ease of Living Index 2020 in million plus category? Means big cities. In big cities. Which city has ranked first in Municipal Performance Index 2020 in, this is also same, big city. Big city means more than 10 lakh population. Red rice is growth in which state? So these were some of the important questions and let's discuss the answers. So the chairman of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. And the headquarter is in New Delhi. Headquarter is in New Delhi. Manpreet Vora as India's next High Commissioner to Australia. Australia. A. Gitesh Sharma is now no more to India's High Commissioner to Australia. Now the new one is Manpreet Vora. Capital of Uganda is Kampala. Headquarter of United Nations General Assembly is New York. India's High Commissioner to Morocco is Rajesh Vaishnaw. Who has been awarded Nuremberg International Human Rights Award is Sairagul Soutbay. Which state has launched India's first engineering research development is Karnataka. Ease of living index, Bangalore is the most livable city. Bangalore. Which city ranked in Municipal Performance Index? Indore. Red rice is grown in Assam. Hemanta Biswa Sarma is the new Chief Minister of Assam. So let's start our today's current affairs. Justice Sanjay Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which High Court? So he has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. Remember some Chief Justice who is Calcutta? Recently he has been appointed. His name is Prashant Kumar Mishra, or you can say PK Mishra. And if you talk about he is Chhattisgarh. Recently he has been appointed. And Calcutta is Rajesh Kumar Bindal. If you talk about Manipur, he is Venkat Sanjay Kumar. Sanjay Kumar. So don't confuse this Sanjay Kumar with Sanjay Yadav. Both rings the same bell. Venkat Sanjay Kumar is Chief Justice of Manipur High Court and Sanjay Yadav is the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. And who is Kerala's? Kerala? Yes, Mani Kumar. Yes, Mani Kumar. So Kerala's is Yes, Mani Kumar. Maharashtra, Deepankar Datta. Maharashtra, Deepankar Datta. Jammu Kashmir High Court, Pankaj Mittal. Pankaj Mittal. So these were the important Chief Justices of our India. Chhattisgarh, P.K. Mishra. Calcutta, Rajesh Bindal. Manipur, Venkat Sanjay Kumar. Kerala, yes, Mani Kumar. And Jammu Kashmir, Pankaj Mittal. And last one, Maharashtra, Deepankar Datta. So remember these things. Center has allocated how much amount to Maharashtra under Jal Jeevan Mission. So the amount is 7064 amount. 7064. If you remember, recently Gujarat has got 3411 crore around 3411 under Jal Jeevan Mission, which is the first state to achieve 100% tap water connection. 100% tap water connection. Goa has did first, Telangana did second, and Andaman did third. Then lastly Puducherry. So these were the 4 states already they have achieved 100% tap water connection. And who is the Jal Shakti Minister? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. His constituency is Jodhpur in Rajasthan. And recently they have launched one campaign, Catch the Rain campaign. Catch the Rain campaign. We are talking about water. Remember, World Water Day. World Water Day we celebrate on 22nd of March. 22nd of March every year. So, and if you talk about Maharashtra, who is the Chief Minister? Uddhav Thackeray. Who is the Governor? Bhagat Singh Koshyari. What is the capital? Mumbai. And who is the Chief Justice? Deepankar Datta. Deepankar Datta. So remember these points. Which state released a short film titled Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Abhishek Divas? So this is Goa. Goa has released a short film for Maharashtra titled Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Abhishek Divas. Who is the Chief Minister? Pramod Sawant. And recently, what is the capital of Goa? Panaji. And recently they have celebrated their Statute Day on 30th of May. Which ministry will take part in special event at Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh to mark the birth anniversary of Shaheed Ram Prasad Bismillah as a part of Azadi ke Amrit Mahotsav? So this is our Ministry of Culture and Tourism Minister, Prahlad Singh Patel. Prahlad Singh Patel will take part in this special event in Shahjahanpur on 10th of June. And his constituency is Damoh in Madhya Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Reserve Bank of India has appointed Chandrasekhar Ghosh as Managing Director and CEO of which among the following bank? So Chandrasekhar Ghosh has been reappointed as for Bandhan Bank. So his tenure has been extended for 3 years. His tenure has been extended for 3 years. Remember this. Which IIT has developed early cyclone detection technique? Which IIT has developed early cyclone detection technique? So this is IIT Kharagpur. Kharagpur is in West Bengal. So IIT Kharagpur has developed early cyclone detection technique. International Labour Organization ILO has published a report on child labor in association with which organization? So in association with UNICEF. So both UNICEF and ILO published a report on child labor. On child labor. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF? In New York. If you talk about ILO, International Labour Organization, headquarters is in Geneva. Geneva in Switzerland. If you talk about UNESCO, Paris. UNESCO's headquarters, Paris. UNEP, Nairobi. Nairobi in Kenya. Nairobi in Kenya. Who is the president of UNEP, United Nations Environment Program? Inger Andersen. Inger Andersen. She is from Denmark. She is from Denmark. Remember something about Denmark, capital Copenhagen. Copenhagen. India's ambassador is Pooja Kapoor. Pooja Kapoor. And one person from Denmark, his name is Paul Sculptor. He was the Prime Minister of Denmark, recently passed away. Remember this. United Nations Development Program headquarters is in New York. Which state has topped in Anemia Mukta Bharat Index 2021? So which state has topped? Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has topped in Anemia Mukta Bharat Index. If you talk about Madhya Pradesh, who is the Chief Minister? Shivraj Singh. Shivraj Singh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Bhopal. Who is the... Okay, Bhopal. Okay. Piramal Foundation has launched Surakshit Hum, Surakshit Tum Abhiyan in 112 aspirational districts in association with which organization? So this is Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog and Piramal Foundation both together has launched Surakshit Hum, Surakshit Tum Abhiyan in 112 districts. If you talk about Niti Aayog, the earlier name was Planning Commission. Who is the Chief Minister? The Prime Minister of India. Whoever becomes the Prime Minister of India, he automatically becomes the Chairman of Niti Aayog. Who is the Vice Chairman? Vice Chairman. He is very important. His name is Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar. He only launched the third edition of Sustainable Development Goals, in which Kerala has topped and Bihar is the worst. And who is the CEO? CEO is Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant. So remember this. And recently they have launched third edition of Sustainable Development Goal Index. Sixth batch of Rafale fighter aircraft landed in which place of West Bengal? So sixth batch has arrived in West Bengal's Hasimara. In Hasimara, West Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Governor Jagdeep Dhankad. Jagdeep Dhankad. What is the capital? Kolkata, not Howrah. It is Kolkata. who has been appointed as the next Prime Minister of Mali. So the next Prime Minister of Mali is Chugul Mega. Chugul Mega has become the new Prime Minister of Mali. If you talk about the Prime Minister and presidents of the country, recently Israel's 11th president is Isaac Herzog. Isaac Herzog. And recently, Paul Sculptor of Denmark Prime Minister has passed away recently. His name is Paul Sculptor, PM of Denmark, passed away. Former Prime Minister of Denmark. And if you talk more, then there is one lady, Fiami Naomi Matafa became the first female Prime Minister of a small country, Samoa. Samoa, Samoa. And if you talk more, one more, Albert Pahimi. The names are very difficult to pronounce. Albert Pahimi Padake. He is the Prime Minister of Chad. Okay, so this much is enough. Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, M.K. Jain, or you can say Mahesh Kumar Jain, gets how much year extension? So he has got 2 years of extension. 2 years. Reserve Bank of India, if you talk about Reserve Bank of India, established in 1st of April 1935. Who is the governor? The 25th governor is Shaktikant Das. And we already know that there are 4 deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India. First is latest one. His name is T. Ravi Shankar. Recently he has been appointed T. Ravi Shankar because Michael Patra's tenure has been completed. BP Kanungo's tenure has been extended. He has been retired now. Then M.K. Jain, his tenure is increased for 2 years, extended for 2 years. And third is M. Rajeshwar Rao. M.K. Jain, T. Ravi Shankar, and Michael Patra. So these are the 4 deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India and established in 1st of April 1935. Which among the following state government recently approved Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Energy Yojana? So this is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan has approved the scheme Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Yojana. Recently one person from Rajasthan, his name is Jagannath Pahadia. He was a former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, recently passed away. Then recently they have launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana. What is this? This is doorstep medicine herbs. And if you talk more about Rajasthan, who is the Chief Minister? Ashok Gehlot. Who is the Governor? Kalraj Mishra. And the capital is Jaipur, the Pink City. And recently Rajasthan will celebrate their statute day on 30th of March. 30th of March recently, very important. And 1st of May, Gujarat, Maharashtra will celebrate their statute day. 30th of May, Goa will celebrate its statute day. So these are the points are enough. So this is the current affairs of 11th of June. See you on 12th of June.